Alright, so today we're looking at vector theorem and just vector theorem. So if you have a cubic, ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d, and if you find a number whereby, if you, let's say number p, if you substitute that in the cubic and you end up with 0, then x minus p is a vector. So let's find a vector for the expression. Let's say x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. I'm going to use example. I'm going to use the expression from a book so that you can follow it. Now, usually what we do is we just do trial and error. So if you, let's say this is equal to c of x, right? So if you substitute, let's say x equals 3. If we substitute x equals 3 in the above expression, we end up with, I'll just change the font color. We end up with 3 cubed plus 2 times 9, 3 squared, minus 15 minus 6, which actually gives us, what does it give us? So it's 1390 is 27, so it'll be 27 plus 18 minus 15 minus 6 is not equal to 0. You can do the math, but this is clearly not equal to 0. So we can try, let's try 2. So let's say x equals 2. So we substitute 2 cubed, 2 to 4 to 8, so 8 plus 2 to 4 to 8 minus 5 to 10 minus 6. So 8 plus 8 is 16, and there will be minus 16, and we have 0. Therefore, x minus 2 is a vector. Great. So you can say that x minus 2 is a vector of x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. There you go. That's pretty much vector theorem. Let's try another one. Example 2. Find a vector of, so let's say 4x cubed minus 13x. I'll just change the color of the font. So let's say 4x cubed minus 13x plus 6 equals, I don't know, let's say r of x, right? So if you want to find a vector, let's try let x equals negative 2. Let's see what happens. So you will get 4 times negative 2 to the power 3 minus 13 times negative 2 plus 6, and so negative 2 would be negative 8 times 4, 8 4 is negative 32 plus 26 plus 6. So if negative 32, and this will be here, so this will give you 0. Therefore, x minus negative 2 is a vector, which would make it x plus 2 is a vector. Okay, cool. So where can we actually use this vector theorem? You can have a look at it in the next video, which will talk about factorizing a cubic. Cool. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned for more.